Hi, welcome to Cooking with my cat, which is called Totally Feline. Today we're going to make a banana treat. I have some bananas, and I have Simon's favorite seeds. As you can see, Simon is busy eating. It's pretty basic and simple. I'm just going to add some seeds inside here with my mashed up bananas. And you can also try berries. Simon didn't like the blueberries, so we're sticking to what she likes best. Didn't realize there are peanuts actually in seeds. But yes, you can see it's pretty basic. It's not much to do. But it's something your bird, I'm sure, is going to enjoy. If you want to get even more creative, you can also add on berries, raspberries, my choice bananas, and you can freeze them, such as what I did. I froze them and made them into a little summer treat. I don't think Simon's going to like that because she's very stingy when it comes to eating. But you can see she likes her seeds. So let's see if Simon is going to eat the treats that I got.